guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been long since I posted any video. So today I'm gonna walk you in through me pretending to be in Vogue Beauty Secrets, and I'll take you to 5 to 6 minutes evening date night look, which is kind of rosy, glowy, and a little bit of bronzer never goes wrong. So those who are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. So guys, I'm starting fresh with my face. I have washed it and it's completely clean. I'm gonna start with moisturizing my face first, and right now I am going in with my green tea seed serum. It's hydrating and I'm using it for 2 to 3 months now. So its scent is very calming. I'm just gonna take 2 drops. I'm just gonna do not forget your neck. Also, there's one most important point, that makeup is something which only add and defines your features. It doesn't change you completely, so make sure that whatever your skin looks, it's all the thing that you do beneath it. So next I'm going in with Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. So it's very important to know your texture of your skin and what kind of skin you have. Well, mine is super dry, so I try to stick by moisturizing products. Just taking like a little bit here. So guys, if it would have been kind of like a daytime something, then I would have definitely gone in with my sunscreen as well. But because it is like night, so I don't need sunscreen, so I'm just gonna start with my makeup now. I'm kind of like just gonna go in with my concealer. So here I'm using Maybelline New York in the shade Tan Light. It is hydrating, and I didn't think that such a cheap product could deliver such a great base for your face. Well, it does. I'm just gonna go towards few parts. You need to go to the darker areas of your face where you have pigmentation. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my fixing MAC Prep Plus Prime Fixing Spray in the shade Pink Light, and I'm just gonna take a foundation brush and spray a bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like
I have linked all the products down below. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section down below. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. Enjoy watching the video till the end.
Also, don't forget your neck. Now for the rest, I'm just gonna go in with my fingers. So guys, the next thing that I'd like to go in with my blush. This is matte blush Mild Berry in the shade by K Beauty. So do you guys see that color? I'll kind of like go a little over this part as well. So I like to have a bit pinkish look over my eyebrows, you know, and the forehead too. Well, next I'm going to be going in with bronzing. Here I'm using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's kind of very smooth. You can just build it on as much as you want. And I'm just going to take... I hope you guys can see the difference between this and this. I'm gonna go beneath my jawline as well. So now I'm just gonna fill in my eye with some beautiful, subtle and very calming colors. So using Pro Art PE22 brush for filling my eyes, and I'm using beautiful palette by Huda Beauty Sand Haze. So it has all these beautiful shades. They are so lovely, and they are not highly pigmented. You can just build it on. So first I'm gonna go in with a darker shade. I'm just gonna go from this particular part to right in. I think at the last it's very important for everyone to know their face, what works well according to them, and it kind of like comes with, you know, multiple tries that you make. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a smaller brush, kind of this, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this darker shade that I used earlier to fill the corner of my eyes, and I'm just gonna grab off the excess and take small amount of it and go below my under eyelashes to give that shadow effect. bit less, so I'm gonna just go with the darker shade right here. Kind of take again the same Pro Art brush and take this particular one and go a little bit above here. Now I'm gonna take the same palette and I'm gonna take this glittery golden shade. Yes, wait, I'll show you. It's kind of this golden. So I'm just gonna take a bit golden and go in the corner of my eyes. So guys, next I'm going in with curling my lash and applying mascara. I would not recommend you to go with liner and mascara both at the same time. It might make your look appear too heavy and you kind of want your look to appear very simple, very subtle. So here I'm going in with Color Bar Lash Curl. You can find many of them on Nike or Amazon, but I would recommend you to go with a good brand. I'll do tell you the difference between when you curl your lash and you don't. So you just have to take it there and hold it for almost 5 to 10 seconds. I'm just gonna go 2-3 times. You guys see the difference between when I use lash curl and on which I didn't? There's so big difference. Your lashes kind of just rolls up. So I'm gonna go same on my other eye as well. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. It's by The Balm and you can get it in almost kind of like 800 to 1000 and do check the description box down below. I'll link all the products down. We are good with her eyes, and next thing that I'm going to take is I'm just going to take a spoolie brush for combing my eyebrows and shaping them a bit. I like giving a definition to them, but I would not prefer filling them because they are kind of like quite thick and I would not like to fill them more. If you have seen my previous video, I also have used this particular lipstick which has kind of like very nude, where it's kind of have very brown shade. It's kind of matte. It has almond argan oil. I'll link it down in the description box below. So this is kind of like brown, but you can just build it up, and I do not like to go with the lipstick like this complete. I would just like do a kind of like pat. Also make sure that your lips are quite moisturized. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna natural it looks now. Just like to top it off with a little bit of my favorite. Bought two shades in Kiko Milano lip glosses. One is natural transparent clear, shade 01. Another one is in the 17 Kiko Milano. This it looks very pinkish, but when you just apply it, it comes out so beautiful, and it just melts like butter on your lips, and it's so hydrating, and all you get is a good shimmer, which I feel like kind of is very sultry, and it looks so amazing.
This is my final look. You can probably go with a highlighter as well to top your makeup off, but I just want to keep it matte and not too glowy, so I skipped it. If you like me pretending to be in Vogue, give this video a huge thumbs up.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you tried this look, do let me know in the comment section down below and how did it come out. And see you soon in the next video.